So now let's see how we can utilize the crop tool inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So in order to utilize the crop tool over here, when the picture is open, you can go around onto the right hand side and then choose the crop tool that you see right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that you actually get this crop tool right here that you can click and drag around and then crop it out according to how you want right here. And by default, rule of third is actually shown up, as you can see right here. You can press the O key on your keyboard to change out the grid layouts, and you can see that as I press O, you can see like different sort of grids actually pop up right here, from golden ratio to everything else like normal grid and so forth. But usually I like to stick with the rule of thirds right here. So now if I were to go ahead and click and drag, you can see that I can select a portion, and then if I were to press enter, it is cropped out. So whenever you actually go ahead and crop out elements in Lightroom like this, it is actually non-destructive. So if I were to actually go ahead and then go to crop again, you can see that I can get back the portion of the picture just like this again right here whenever I want right here. Whenever you go around onto the crop tool, you can also go ahead and rotate this out a bit, as you can see right here as well. And just like that, you can crop it out, as you can see right here, and you can rotate out the pictures to get the final output like this. And that is how you can utilize the crop tool inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.